Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to the new episode of Explore China with Asim. Viewers, our today's topic is very different topic because whenever we go for the shopping or whenever we move to any shopping mall, people think about the products related to the females more. But today our direction is towards the male beauty and the health products. So let's explore. Viewers, we are in front of KKV. So let's go inside. Let's see what they have. Viewers, face skin is always be very sensitive, and the ideal pH for the face skin is the 4.5 to 5.5. So still many men these days they use the soap, cheap soap. With that they can damage their skin. So you should follow with the brand cosmetics. Like you can see, here are a lot of face wash. You can see here is the this is the lemon face wash for the deep cleaning. This is the peach face wash, and of the very good shop, Face Shop, very good brand. And similarly for the sensitive skin there is the aloe vera face wash. And if you are going for the traveling, you can buy these kind of small pouches. They will not make your bag heavy. Similarly, if you want to give someone the gift, this kind of face wash, you can give them the gift. This is one package. So always try to choose the good products. Viewers, these are also the men products, and I am looking, yeah, this one is the face wash with scrub. They have some small grains for the deep cleaning and to remove the blackheads. If you feel inconvenient to use this kind of pouch, you can use this kind of bottle that have the pump, very easy. And this is the oil control. Similarly, you can see this is the energizer, and many kind of products, male products are here. So must take care of yourself. This is the aloe vera gel, and this is very good for the skin, especially for the men rigid skin. It can give the softening touch. It can finish the sunburn and easy mask. You can say that this product, even you can use this for your shaving gel. So this is really give the very soothing and cool effect. So must try it. You can see here with a lot of amount, with very cheap price, you can buy the aloe vera gel. Many boys has the problem who do the smoking. They can have the problem in the teeth. So must choose the very good brand toothpaste. You know, these days people have the mouth cancer because of using the bad toothpaste or many bad products or cheap products. So try to use the product from a good brand. For example, you see this is the Spanish toothpaste for the extra whitening and the stain free prevention. Similarly, this is for the mouth freshening. This is also Spanish brand. You can see here Mavis. Viewers, this is the mouth freshener, and I think it will not give you any bad feeling. Very good fragrance. You can use it. Similarly, here is the White Glow. This is also mouth freshener. Here is this is the honey flavor mouth freshener, lemon flavor, mint flavor. So many kinds. Viewers, you know, this is the burning summer, and in the burning summer UV light is too dangerous to your skin. So always try to protect your skin from the UV light, and for that there are the two kinds of products, sunscreen or sunblock. And this sunscreen or sunblock can be available in the form of lotion or in the form of cream. If you have the dry skin, then try to use the cream, and if you have the oily skin, then try to use the lotion. One more detail I want to tell you: must check that your lotion or cream must have at least SPF 30 at least, and some have the SPF 45. Similarly, some strong protection, for the strong protection, SPF 50 plus. So try to use the good sunscreen or a good sunblock for the protection of your skin from the UV light, because UV light is too dangerous. It can cause the cancer also. Viewers, now we are here. I am looking. Here are some kind of gels and some kind of styling sprays. The boys who like to make different kinds of the shapes of the hair and different kind of the styles. I think this is the set and keep spray. and similarly this one is the styling spray mist. So try to use the good product. You see here are some are in the small bottles, some are in the big bottles. If you use the cheap product, our proteins of the hair they can be damaged. So if you use the good quality products, they can give the health to and the nutrients to your hair. So always take care of yourself. Means if you use the very cheap product, maybe your hair will fall and you can go to the baldness. So if you want to have the stylish hair and also want to use some kind of gels, then always buy from a brand. Viewers, this is very interesting section. You know, the people who have the heavy duty, a lot of work, and also some in the over age or little aged people, they often have the problems of the joint pain, bone pains. For them this is really a magic. These things, this is like a bomb you can use for your joint pain control. And similarly you can see here, this is for the neck and the muscles pain, and this is also one kind of herbal balm. You can use this one. This is the Thailand brand. And one more thing, you can see this is very interesting thing. You can see the name of this thing, this product. This is the Australian brand, and has the 100% papaya. Means this is made by the papaya extract. You know, this is especially for the skin injuries. If you have been bitten by some kind of insects, you can apply this cream, or if your skin is burnt, you can apply this. Within a few days it will be recovered. This is the healthy meal and the calorie control. So especially the people who are on the dieting or who wants the healthy meal but with the controlled calories, this is very good idea for them. You can see these are the different for a one day meal. This is the one day meal with the different flavors. This is the quick seed meal, this is the chocolate meal, this is the milk powder meal. Similarly if you come to here, this is also the oatmeal with different flavors. So this is one time meal. Similarly this is the strawberry oatmeal, means it has the strawberry flavor. You can look at here, these are the sticky rice with the coconut milk and pulp. These are very tasty. If you want to, if you are on the dieting and you want to control your diet, so these are very good ideas. This is the milk tea, but you can see it is non-sugar, zero sugar milk tea. So to be healthy, always follow these kind of tips. Viewers, this section is for the teenager boys who are fatty but they cannot leave the snacks and jellies. So these are the calorie free jellies. You can see zero sugar content. These are the jellies, some kind of snacks. Even you can see this is a chocolate but very less sugar, and this is very good. They can use, they can fulfill their habit also, and they can control their diet also. Sound body has the sound mind. The gymmers, they should also use some kind of dry fruits in their daily diets. Means one day the dry nuts should be in your diet. You can buy some flavored dry fruits also. You see, this is the honey almond, this is the honey butter almond, and these are the cashew nuts, salted cashew nuts. Similarly, coconut flavor coated peanuts. Means you must take some amount of these dry fruits in your daily routine. Similarly, here are available some dry meat also, some dry nuts. These are very necessary for our daily diet. So must have the use of the dry fruits in your daily routine. Vitamins are very necessary for the health, to boost up your immune system. And you'll see nowadays is the COVID cases are too much. So everyone needs the more and more immunity. So to enhance your, even doctors recommend you to take more and more vitamins, vitamin rich food. So if you like the drinking, then choose this kind of drinks. You see, this is very rich in the vitamin C. It also has the 1000 C vitamin. You see, these all are the vitamin rich energy drinks. This has the strawberry flavor also, means there is the strawberry juice taste, mango juice taste, lemon juice taste, but rich in vitamins. They have added the vitamin ingredients in it for you to boost up your immune system. Viewers, you can also have the vitamin rich imported products, like you can see this is the Japanese juice, mixed fruit juice Japanese. This is the carrot mango, carrot orange, carrot grape juice. Similarly, this is the Korean brand and they have the milkshake. This is the strawberry milkshake and this is the banana milkshake, and this one is the Thailand product, means the milk with the beans, and similarly this is the Malaysian product, and you can see here is the halal stamp also. So this is also rich in the vitamins. Along with your body and skin health, you should also take care of your spiritual health. So for that you can buy these kind of products. These are the some fragrance liquid. You can keep them in the offices, in your home, in your drawing rooms. Viewers, know you can see here are these are some dry flowers, and these are also the fragrant flowers. You can keep them, these are different, you can see these are the 3 flavors. You can keep them in your room, and in any glass or in any old cup or in the plate, in any decoration piece. They will give very beautiful fragrance in your room and will give the freshening effect into your room. Viewers, if you have a lot of stress and you are fed up from your white light at home, then you can use these kind of candles. You just burn this candle. This candle will give a special kind of fragrance in your room, in your drawing room. You can see this has the various flavors. This is the peach flavor candle. This candle is the mixed fruit candle. This is the tropical pineapple candle, and this one is the lemon flavor candle, give the very freshening effect. So you can use this in your room. Here you can see these are some Alba Sol. These are the essential oils. You can use these different flavor oils according to your choice into your room freshener. Just add a few drops and that electric room freshener will give this fragrance into your whole room. We can show you here, there are a lot of products. Just keep this, and this can prolong for many months. Just once you buy and you can use. You see this one is very Alba fragrance and very great. If you have this kind of, when you will go back to the home after a lot of work and after the tiredness, you will feel very good and very soothing effect, and this will give you the soul relaxation. Now we are in the Miniso, and Miniso is the Japanese brand. Here I have seen this is also one product for the men. You know, mainly the men has the black heads in the nose. So for the cleaning of blackheads, you can use this kind of nose mask. Yes, this one is also the nose mask, Japanese brand. Whereas these are the mask, face mask, and this is the clay mask, and this is the matcha mask. What flavor you like, just apply it in the night and keep it for 10 to 15 minutes. After that you can remove it, and it will give the pore cleaning. All the face pores will be cleaned by this mask. As you know, nowadays people are using the many kinds of chemicals for the fruit ripening as well as the vegetable ripening. So must be careful to wash before use. So for that I have found this thing in the Miniso. This is very interesting. You can see fruit and the veggie wash. Means this gel you can use to wash your fruit and the vegetables before use. So it will remove all the chemicals from the vegetables and the fruit. So very interesting thing, you must try. We have shown you many kinds of skincare products and the health products related to the men, because before that it was like the concept means cosmetics are only for the female, but to maintain yourself, cosmetics are for the men also, and these are available in the normal shopping mall. You can buy. Hope you like our video. If you like our video, then subscribe our channel, like it and share it, and wait for the next episode. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़.